adjust the tone. I bet you a girl with a hairstyle like this came up with that phrase. Morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you all for watching and welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna and we are going to be installing a wig that we got from Arabellla hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, per usual. So just jump right into all the details of this hair. This is a wig. This is a bob wig. To be more specific, this is a 12-inch 13x4 lace frontal Brazilian straight wig, and the density, it says it's 210 density. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the hairline as much as I could without getting nervous. I didn't want to overdo it. So the inside of the wig looks like this. You have your frontal, you have your two combs on the sides, and it comes with an elastic band that's actually attached to the wig itself. You have your two adjustable straps right here, and then of course your comb at the bottom and your lace at the bottom. So this is another overview of the hair, and we are going to transform this beautiful wig into a beautiful hairstyle. So if you want to see that, you got to keep on watching. So I already did my wig cap, of course. Ooh. It was a little tight. So the first thing that I'm going to do actually before I even start like styling everything is I'm just going to adjust this wig. So I'm cutting this lace off the bottom, which I normally do later, but I guess it doesn't matter. And now, of course, we're taking the same makeup. I'm embarrassed. I think I'm just going to start doing this part off camera because at this point there's nothing here. It is empty. So I am digging in these corners. Look, it's a little something. See, look. Ooh. Digging in the corners never hurt nobody. So next I am taking my lace tint that I got from the beauty supply store. It's in the color dark brown. And I'm gonna spray the inside of the lace. Now I did bleach the knots and everything, of course, but I'm still gonna spray the lace. And before I do anything else, clearly I need to cut these ear tabs because it's not sitting on my head how I need it to. All right, and that is a perfect fit. Now I'm taking my glue, of course, from Wig and Dealer, and putting it across the front of my hairline. And then taking a little spatula portion of this and just smoothing this out. So I wound up doing 2 layers of the glue, and now I'm just gonna pull the wig forward and just mesh this glue or the lace into the glue. So I decided that the hairline comes down just a little bit too far on my forehead, so I'm parting this hair out because I'm going to be cutting it off. So I'm just going to wrap this super tight and we will be our shoe. Let's take this off and get ready to cut some lace. Next, the fun part is I get to plan out how my part is gonna go. So I know I want like a side swoop, and then I'm just gonna have it tucked behind my ear. But I'm like, should it be deeper? Yeah, I think that's good. And I over bleached my little part, so I can obviously fix that with like some mascara or something. But I think this is a good place to have the part. So now that I have that done, I can start cutting out my edges. And I know it's lifted in the front. I'm gonna fix all that. It's because I cut it. Now I'm just taking my Eco Gel and of course swooping my edges. Now I'm taking my handy dandy spray. I think I'm gonna spray on top of this. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a good little while. All right, so now we're working on this bang. So I already parted out like my side part over here, but now I'm just gonna part like back here. So now I'm just working with my hair in small sections and using my hot comb to make it flat at the top, just so it's not lumpy. And now I want it to like swoop. And for the swooping motion, I'm taking my Spritz hairspray and spraying it onto small sections at a time, and then using my bristle brush to swoop it like going away from my face. And then I just flat ironed my hair really quickly. Next thing I need to do is fix up this part right here, because child, even though I'm not done styling my hair all the way, it's just bothering me. Okay, ooh, child, that's better. All right, so the style is pretty much done. I've been fighting back and forth internally about if I'm gonna flip these ends or not. And I decided I'm just gonna do it. Like, I just say, you know what? If I don't like it, I can always unflip it. Flip it like that. Not me with the flip ends. Ah! Okay. Like, who am I? Who said I could flip my ends? It's like flip ends equal immediate attitude. Like, what is this? Immediate. Immediate. I mean, girl, what? I like this. And I was scared too. I was, child, please, whatever. You know, I try something new every now and again. Look at me. And I was just gonna not do it too. Like, look how look how much attitude this has. These flip ends just give straight attitude. I love it. It looks like I should be mean mugging people, like. Who are you? I love this. Let me flip them some more. Now it's like I want to flip all the way. At first I was scared. I was like, oh, let me just give it a little flip. Really, I need to like drag it like that, because then you really get the full effect. So you can flip it like super hard, or you can flip it softly. And at first I flipped it softly because I was scared, but now I want to like super flip it like all the way, all the way. It's a hair flip. Oh, you gotta get me out this wig. I'm a whole new person. I don't know who I am. I don't think I should have put this on. I'm the wrong one, because I am just feeling all the personality of this hair. Like, immediately. Immediately. Look, you see? Immediately. I don't even know who I am. Oh Lord, I'm at that. Oh, I'm embarrassed. Okay. So this is the final result. Let me give you a little 360 because the way my whole attitude just changed. Ooh. Ooh, I just did a deep flip. Okay. Okay. Okay, cause look, go get you one of these. Go get you one of these and do this style and watch your attitude change. If you need a mood booster, if you need an attitude booster, if you need a confidence booster, go get you one of these. Cause my confidence like went from like here to poof. Like you can't tell me nothing with my hair like this. Like who are you? Talk to the hand cause the face ain't home. Leave a message at the tone. I bet you a girl with a hairstyle like this came up with that phrase. Anyways, all the information for this wig will be in the description box below. Look at me, description box below, whatever. In the description box below, honey. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I need something to drink. Adios, till next time. I can't even say adios. Like, what does a girl like with a hairstyle like this say? Bye.